Hello grade 3, hope you are fine. Today our lesson is about adding the fraction with the same denominator. Okay, let's see here. How can we add the fraction with the same denominator? I've got, what fraction is this? I've got 2/5. Okay, 2 out of 5. 2 color part, we put it in the top, and all of the parts are 5. So it's 2/5. Again, plus this fraction. How can we write this fraction? 1 is colored, so I put it in numerator part. All of the parts are 5. So 2/5 plus 1/5. What does it equal? Look here. We have same denominator. When we have same denominator, also we have common denominator. Okay? And we have common denominator 5, so I put it the same. Okay? Only add the top part or the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I have got 3/5. So when we add, just add the numerator part as we are. Step 1, add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. As we see here. And keep the denominator as it is. Okay, 5. So the answer will be 3/5. Because the size of the chocolate pieces denominator doesn't change. Okay, we have the same denominator. Only the change will be in the numerator part. Okay, let's see the next. Write and add the fraction with color and then color the result. Okay, look at this fraction. What fraction is this? It's a third. And this one is 2/3. Look here. We bought the same denominator, 3, as it is, and we add the numerator part. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 over 3 or 3/3 means 1. I colored the whole parts. Okay? Again, let's see here. What fraction is this? Excellent. How many color parts? It's 2. I will write 2. All of the parts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We write it in the bottom. Again, what fraction is this? 1. Okay, 1 is colored, so I put 1 on the top. All of the parts are 4. Remember, we bought the same bottom. The bottom doesn't change. Okay, and we add the top. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So it's 3/4 or 3/4. We color 3 parts of this. Okay? Look here. 1, 2. I've got 2/8 and 5/8. Okay? Okay, all of them I bought the same bottom. And 2 plus 5 equals 7. So I color 7 parts. Okay? How many color parts here? 2. All of the parts are 6. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. Or 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 over 6. Okay, remember we bought the same bottom. 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So I will color all of the parts. Okay? Again, one more time. What fraction is this? It's 2 over, all of them are 6. Here we have 1 colored part only on the top. All of the parts 6. 2/6 plus 1/6 equals, keep the denominator the same, 6. Okay, I forgot to tell you when we have 6 over 6 equals 1. Okay, let's make the next one. 2 over 6 plus 1 over 6. The bottom is the same, and the answer will be 3/6. Okay, we color 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. This is the 3/6. Okay, and the rest you can do it by your own. Let's see the next. I don't have any drawing. Okay? Let's see. 3/8 plus 4/8. Remember, the bottom is the same. Keep the denominator 8 in the bottom. And just add 3 plus 4 equals 7. Again, 10 plus 10 equals 10. We put 10 in the bottom. Okay, 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7/10. Again, one more time. 1/9 plus 6/9. Keep the bottom the same. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7/9. Here we have, keep the bottom the same. 2, we put it as it is in the bottom. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. Remember, when the top equals the bottom, so it's equal a whole 1. Okay? Again, one more time. Keep 7 as it is in the bottom denominator. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the answer will be 6/7. See the next. Okay, subtracting fractions with the same denominator. We have the same rule. I put the same denominator or common denominator here as it is. And we have 4 color parts and only I take away 1. So how many is left? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 is left. 3 parts are left. So the answer will be 3/8. Only subtract the numerator and keep the denominators as the same. Okay, look here. Subtract, then color the correct answer. Here we have 5/8 minus 3/8. We put 8 in the denominator and just 5 minus 3 equals 2. So the answer will be 2/8. Here we have 6/6 minus 4/6. So we keep the bottom is the same and 6 minus 4 equals 2. So the answer will be 2/6. So I will choose 2/6. Again, keep the bottom the same. 9. And just 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay, so the answer will be 3/9. One more time. 7/10 minus 2/10. So what do we have? 10 in the bottom place. And 7 minus 2 equals 5. So the answer will be 5/10. Again, one more time. 2/3 minus 1/3. 3 in the bottom place. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the answer will be 1/3. The rest you can do it by your own as a homework. Okay, let's see the next. Okay, solve, then match each problem with its suitable model. Here we have 3/5 minus 1/5. So we have common denominator 5. So I put it the same. Okay, 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2/5. Which drawing represent the 2/5? Remember, the total number of the parts are 5. Look here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one. Okay, we have 5. All of the parts are 5. Only the left 2/5. I have 3 and I take away, okay, 1. So how many is left? It's 2. So this answer will be this one. Okay, here we have 4/4 minus 2/4. We have the same denominator 4. We put it in the bottom. 4 minus 2, it's 2/4. Of course, we have 2/4. The total number of the parts are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I take 4. I take away. Minus means I take away 2 from 4. So I take away 2. This striped triangles, I take them. So how many is left? I've got 2. So the answer will be this one. Again, 5/10 minus 1/10. Okay, I've got the common denominator 10. I put it as it is. And we have 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4/10. Okay? Yes. We have here the total number of the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here also we have 10. But which one is represented this fraction? 4/10. Which one? I have in all 5. Then the striped triangle, I take away only one part. So how many is left? Is left is 4. So this one is represented 4/10. Okay. Again, 5/10 minus 2/10. Okay. Yes, I've got 5, all of them, all 5. And I take the striped rectangles, only 2. So I take away 2. How many is left? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the answer will be 3/10. Okay, let's see the next. Here we have 1 minus 3/5. Be careful. 1. How can we make 1 as a fraction? Okay, 1 it's a cheater. Take from the bottom or from the denominator, becomes 5/5. Let's write it as a fraction. 1 is 5 out of 5. So now I can make the subtraction. Both the same denominator, 5, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let's take the next one. 1 minus 4/8. We must change 1 into a fraction. So I will cheat from the bottom of the next fraction. So 1, excellent, I can hear you. 8/8. So I can write 1 as 8/8. So it equals 8 minus 4, 4. And the bottom remains the same. So the answer will be 4/8. Let's see the next. We will solve some fraction story problems. Okay? Let's remember the keywords of addition and keywords of subtraction. Let's sing the song. Together, total and the sum, all both mean plus. Together, total and the sum, all both mean plus. We all know add mean addition means plus. Sum, all together, total plus. And the word of subtraction, rest left, remainder, difference. All these words mean minus. Also we have subtract, take away, left, difference, remainder. Okay? Let's see the first example. Rana baked a cake and cut into eighths. She ate 3/8 of the cake. How much of cake is left? Yes, it's subtraction. Excellent. Okay, but where is the other fraction? Be careful. This is the whole cake. Excellent. What does mean whole cake? It's one whole means what? It's what do we have? How many parts have we got here? 8. So it's 8/8. Okay, so 8/8. The left parts with her 8/8 minus 3/8 that she ate. So the answer will be 5/8. Here we have Yasser walked 2/5. Of a mile yesterday, and yes, together, total, and the sum, all both mean plus. Okay, I've got some keywords here. So 2/5 plus 2/5 equals 4/5. So the answer will be 2/5. Let's see the next. Read, then solve the problem. Okay, Russia had 68 of a baked cookies. After she ate some cookies, 2/8 of the packet remained. Okay, remained. Excellent. Subtraction. Okay, what fraction? The word fraction, remained, means subtract. The fraction cookies, the bigger fraction minus the smaller fraction. 6/8 minus 2/8, we can write 6/8 minus 2/8 equals, the bottom remains the same, 8, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. Excellent. 4 is. Let's see here. Omar had a can of juice in his house. It's completely full. He drank 1/7 of the juice on the first day. Then he drank 5/7 of the juice during the second day. What the fraction shows the total, together total and the sum, all both mean plus total. Yes, amount of juice drank. Total means plus or addition, adding the fraction juice of drank, we can write 1/7 plus 5/7. Okay, 1/7 plus 5/7. What does it equal? We put, the same denominator at the same 7, and we just add the top. 1 plus 5 equals 6 of juice, 6/7 of juice. Let's see the last one. One day Salah swam 3/5 of a kilometer. Next day he swam 2/5. Okay? How many kilometers did Salah swim all together? Together total and the sum, all both mean plus. Okay, how can we write this problem? 3/5 plus 2/5. What does it equal? Excellent. We put the bottom the same, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5/5. What does it equal? Equals 1 whole, so 1 kilometer. Okay? Here we have in this problem, after a birthday party, 5/6 of the cake was left over. Mayada gave 2 parts, of left pieces. What fraction represent the left? Means minus, subtract. Okay, how can we write this fraction? Yes, look here, I don't have the other fraction. Yes, but he tells me to take 2 parts out of what? Out of the total 6. So 2/6, this be converted into 2/6. So we write 5/6 minus 2/6 equals 3/6 cake pieces. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Don't forget, like and share and subscribe, and goodbye.